California is set to become the first state to provide health benefits to illegal immigrants. Democratic leaders approving Governor Newsom's $98 million plan to provide nearly 90,000 adults with Medi-Cal or Medicaid.
Fox News contributor Tammy Bruce, who's lived in California, joins us to weigh in. You know, if the legislature decides we're going to spend the money that way, that's the way the state's going to spend it.
Yeah, and the Democrats have veto-proof majorities. There's really no voice for an opposition. Here's what they're going to do. They're going to implement a California insurance mandate. They're going to put a tax on people who don't have insurance to fund health insurance for illegal aliens. But let's remember, too, in this country, everybody does get access to health care. You can go into an emergency room and you are cared for.
Right.
So already California is dealing with that, with overwhelming emergency rooms and hospitals. So nobody's not getting health care. This is an official taxing of people who don't have, again, insurance. To distribute it, they argue, and $98 million. I think that's going to be a little higher. You know what? This is just after, by the way, they refused. They did not pass a bill that would have given health care to seniors, to Americans who are over the age of 65.
What?
They said, no, it's too expensive, you see. It's too expensive.
That's what's so interesting, because the older ones are not getting it, and they're the ones that would need it more.
That is correct.
This is for adults, low-income adults that are illegal, here illegally in California, between the ages of 19 and 25. You would think it would be cheaper for those individuals, because most of those are not going to get sick, to go into the emergency room and just get care.
Well, and they're working. They're individuals who are healthy individuals, younger individuals who tend to not do this. That's what they're relying on. So this is, in a way, an incentive to come into California. But keep in mind as well, these are individuals who I'm not sure how we know how old someone is. Remember, we've got people coming into the country saying undocumented who are in high school and they're 35 years old.
Why are they doing this? What's the real reason?
They're doing it. It's supposedly a punch in the nose at President Trump. They're doing it as an incentive for individuals to come to the state because, of course, the census right now, there's still a fight about that. It's about the number of people that affect the number of House seats that you get in Congress. But there's also another thing Californians need to worry about. There is $1.5 trillion of unfunded liability at the state and local levels in California. That includes unfunded pensions to the tunes of billions of dollars.
Things they promised, but they don't have the money for.
Debt. Bonds, things that they are responsible for that they cannot fund and don't have the money for already. Where is that going to come from?
If you're in Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador, or Guatemala, what incentive is it to stay there when you can go to California for free, no National Guard at the border, go there and get free health care and enjoy everything that comes along with it?
Because this announcement becomes international news.
And vote, probably.
Gotcha.
It becomes international news, and this is the chaos that politicians want to create at the expense of people's lives, and that's what we're standing up against.
Tammy Bruce, thanks so much.
Sure.